Hi everyone, so today I thought I'd show you my art haul. So these have just arrived from Jackson's Art and I thought I would do experimenting with some different watercolour inks and also some dye-based inks. So let's just have a little look. This one's here is the Higgins. I've never tried these before. I just bought one of this colour. Yeah, it's in a cute little bottle. I'd like to give it a shake. Oh, interesting. So, I'm not sure how this works yet. Oh, nice, interesting. That is very pigmented. Okay, now we've got some LipTechs acrylic ink. Again, I've never tried these before. I got the muted turquoise. And this blue colour, which looks very vibrant. So I'm excited to try those two. Now this here is a little Daniel Smith colours. So the first one here is, this is the Daniel Smith. Connected in Coral. I also have the Holbein Bright Rose and another little Holbein Green Grey. So I thought I'd try these two colours. Right, now I have now this looks really interesting. It's by Smellier and it is traditional shellac based ink. So this one looks really interesting. Right, now I've also got two Daler-Rowney Yellow Ochre. And this one Purple Lake. You can see the colour here. So I'm intrigued to try these two. And in here we have some more concentrated watercolours. So I have my favourite Moss Rose. This is a new one that I've never tried, Wild Rose, Raspberry, Cyclamen, Alpine Rose, another one of my favourites, and Slate Blue. This will be really interesting to try. These colours look really interesting. And a more kind of rustic palette here. So yeah, here is my art haul. So I've got all my new concentrated watercolours. I have the two Daler-Rowney and the two LipTechs. I also have this Higgins and the Smellier. And I also have these three lovely little watercolour colours.